How to add song on Instagram post after posting Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add song on your Instagram post after posting it. So the very first step is to go and launch our Instagram application. Go on the very home page, and on this home page you can see how you can go on your profile by on the down right side you will see your profile there. When you tap on this, you will see all the posts that you have posted. So just tap on any one post, and when you tap on the three vertical dots right here, you will see the option of edit, but you won't see the option of add the music. So you cannot add the music after you have already posted a photo or anything. So what you need to do is delete this, and after deleting this post, just go and post the same photo again, and this time you can simply add the music on your post. For example, if I want to post something, then I'll just add a photo, and after that tap on the music option, and now tap my favorite music, tap on the right option, tap on the next option, and then share it on my Instagram, just like that. Now the post will be shared to my Instagram with music. So this is how I can share the post with music after I've already posted it. I should delete it or archive it and then post the next post by adding some music. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.